Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Calculus problems like this are actually super fast to solve if you know the steps. Let's find where the average and instantaneous rates match up.
First, we calculate the average rate of change over the interval from 4 to 16. We find the function values at both endpoints and divide their difference by the interval width.
Next, we find the instantaneous rate by taking the derivative of our function. The derivative of 2 over x is negative 2 over x squared. We must set these two values equal. Finally, solve for x. Cross-multiplying gives x squared equals 64, so x is 8. Option B is the final winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps for option B.